Are you ready?
Yes.
Family and friends, or just friends?
Just friends.
Dear friends
Yes.
and witnesses, we're gathered here today to join Anthony Luca Pastore and Ana Carolina Pereira dos Santos in Holy Wedlock. Estamos aqui reunidos para unir em sagrada união a Anthony e a Ana Carolina. Do you, Anthony and Ana Carolina, know of any reason why you should not be so joined together as husband and wife?
No.
Will you, Anthony, have this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you pledge your truth to her in all love and honor, in all duty and service, in all faith and tenderness, to live with her and cherish her in the solemn bond of marriage?
I do, yes.
Você, Ana Carolina, aceita esse homem como seu esposo?
Sim.
Você jura que vai amá-lo e honrá-lo e viver com ele essa sagrada união para sempre?
Sim.
Why don't you turn around and face each other? Hold both hands. Anthony, repeat after me. I, Anthony, take you, Ana Carolina,
Take you, Anna Carolina,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
and I promise, before these witnesses, to be your loving husband,
to be your loving husband,
in plenty
in plenty,
and in want, in joy and sorrow, in sickness and health, as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
You can move around. Repeat. With this ring, I thee wed. Please wear it as a symbol of my love.
Please wear it as a symbol of my love.
I want to do it in English and you want to do it in Portuguese again. I think it's important that you
Yes.
I, Ana Carolina,
I, Ana Carolina,
take you, Anthony,
take you, Anthony,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
and I promise,
before these witnesses,
to be your loving wife,
to be your loving wife,
in plenty
in plenty
and in want,
and in want,
in joy
in joy
and sorrow,
and sorrow,
in sickness
and health,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Eu, Ana Carolina,
Eu, Ana Carolina,
tomo esse homem
tomo esse homem
como meu esposo
como meu esposo
e prometo
e prometo
perante essas testemunhas que serei sua fiel
e
amada esposa
amada esposa,
em momentos difíceis ou alegres,
em momentos difíceis ou alegres,
de doenças ou saúde,
de doenças ou saúde,
pobreza ou prosperidade,
pobreza ou prosperidade,
até o final de nossas vidas.
até o final de nossas vidas.
With this ring, I thee wed.
I do wed.
Please wear it as a symbol of my love.
Please wear it as a symbol of my love.
And by the authority vested in me by the Commonwealth of Virginia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You are married. Kiss the bride.
Me too.